everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Pokémon Go. Pokémon Go is a 2016 augmented reality mobile game developed and published by Niantic in collaboration with Nintendo and the Pokémon Company for iOS and Android devices. In order to log into Pokémon Go, first, make sure you have downloaded Pokémon Go on your Android device or your iOS and simply tap it open. As soon as it opens, you'll need to go ahead and enter your date of birth. Now, if you already have an account, you can tap on Returning Player option, but if you are using it for the first time, tap on New Player. Create an account with your Facebook or your Google account. Once you have an account, you can tap on the Returning Player option next time you play the game. Once you do that, you'll need to sign in with your Facebook or your Google. Simply tap on one of the options. In my case, I'm tapping on the Facebook option. Allow Pokémon Go to have access to your name, email address, and other public info on your Facebook. Tap on Continue as your Facebook name, and you'll be logged into Pokémon Go in no time. Remember that you'll only be able to log into your Pokémon Go with your Facebook account if you are already logged into your Facebook account. Allow access that pops out in the menu, and that is it. That is how you can log into Pokémon Go quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.